Good day. This is my recording for my NBA online subscription. Well, this is for transcription using videos using web apps or apps. I generated my leads. I just only by LinkedIn, and here are my leads, 50 leads. They basically my friends in the tech industry, and I only use my LinkedIn. My connections, and they are recruiters, and so basically mostly software engineers and recruiters. For my sample enterprise resource planning software. Here's my lead email. It's basically a cold email approach. Since I still have I'm not sure if it's basically an unsolicited email for my product, my zero enterprise planning software. My product, my lead company, lead, and from what I've heard, they have from my example, they have my lead has problems with their payroll and attendance issues. Maybe I offered him the product and services of my software, and that is all. And I all that is all. Thank you. That is all for my video on lead generation. Thank you very much.